Look, I'm adding the red-blue color to the hair. I start blending it in the areas where the red-blue color is needed. And again, I'll say that in some spots, it's actually necessary not to blend it. This totally depends on your design or your personal taste. Sometimes it's good for those lines to stay just as bold as they are. Again, wherever it's needed, I add white with a higher concentration. All right, now I want to use a very diluted, transparent red-blue color, super thin, to add 2 or 3 buds to my work. It's better to dilute transparent colors with a lightening medium so they don't spread too much, just so we don't lose that color transparency. Here, I added some medium to my paint so that it's diluted just enough to suit my work. I'm thinking that I really want to add about 2 or maybe 3 more of these vibrant magenta flower buds right over here in this specific spot to balance the composition. And 2 or 3 more here. And now, using a much finer detail brush, I'm carefully adding just a little bit of this dark brown color to each of these small flower buds. I'm adding transparent brown paint and it needs a bit here too. All right, We've done this part so far, and now we'll let our work dry a little. Because we don't want the colors to run into each other too much, like in the previous watercolor sample, or have the area around our design get too wet and stained with color. We'll let this part dry a bit, and then we'll move on to the branches and leaves.